Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we explore the most innovative and stylish ways to build your dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at a giant shipping container and thought, I could live in that? While the industrial look is trendy, the real magic happens on the outside. Today, we are diving deep into the world of container house exterior design, showing you how to turn a cold steel box into a warm, inviting, and high-end luxury residence. Let's get started. Container house exterior design refers to the architectural and aesthetic treatment of the outer shell of a shipping container home. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar houses, container homes start with a rigid corrugated steel structure. Design in this context is the process of softening those industrial lines, adding functional elements like windows and doors, and applying finishes such as paint, wood cladding, or green walls to integrate the structure into its natural environment. It is the art of balancing the rugged durability of the container with the stylistic preferences of the homeowner. Decorating the exterior of your container home offers far more than just visual appeal. It serves critical functional purposes. Firstly, applying the right cladding or high reflective paint provides essential insulation and temperature regulation, protecting the interior from extreme heat and cold. Secondly, a well-designed exterior significantly increases the property value and curb appeal, moving the aesthetic away from industrial storage toward modern architectural marvel. Furthermore, exterior finishes act as a protective layer against rust and corrosion, ensuring your home lasts for decades. By thoughtfully decorating the outside, you also create a seamless transition between your indoor living space and the surrounding landscape, making the home feel more spacious and intentional. To make your container house exterior look professional and high-end, the key is to play with contrast and texture. Start by breaking up the long, flat surfaces with large glass elements. Floor-to-ceiling windows or sliding glass doors instantly elevate the look and eliminate the boxed-in feel. Incorporating natural materials like cedar wood planks or stone accents can soften the metal's harshness and provide a sophisticated, organic touch. Don't forget about lighting. Recessed LED strips or warm pendant lights under overhangs can highlight the architectural lines at night. Additionally, adding structural elements like pergolas, cantilevered balconies, or rooftop gardens adds depth and dimension, making the container look like a custom-designed piece of architecture rather than a temporary unit. There are several popular styles that work exceptionally well with the modular nature of containers. The modern industrial style embraces the original metal ribbing, often using bold charcoal or matte black paint paired with steel beams and expansive glass. For those who prefer a warmer look, the Scandinavian or cottagecore style uses full timber cladding and light, neutral tones to blend the home into wooded or rural settings. The luxury minimalist style focuses on hidden seams, monochrome palettes, and cantilevered sections that seem to gravity-defy, creating a very high-end, futuristic vibe. Finally, the biophilic or green style integrates living walls and vertical gardens directly onto the container skin. Perfect for eco-conscious homeowners who want their house to breathe with the environment now. Let's look at the top 10 best container house exterior design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. 1. The multi-level modernist manor. This stunning design uses multiple stacked white containers to create a grand, expansive residence. The highlight is the sophisticated wood slat balcony and the integration of a massive ancient tree right in the center of the walkway, proving that modern architecture can coexist beautifully with nature. The warm glow from the large windows and the unique patterned garage door add a touch of artistic flair to the clean, white industrial lines. 2. The geometric cantilevered cabin. This idea showcases the incredible structural strength of containers with a bold, overhanging top floor. The mix of rusted corten steel textures on the lower levels against the sleek, black-ribbed finish of the upper unit creates a striking visual contrast. The addition of glass railings on the upper deck ensures that the view remains unobstructed, making it a perfect design for sloped or mountainous terrain. 3. The neoclassical brick fusion. Who says containers can't look traditional? This design cleverly masks the container structure with classic red brick arches and large rounded windows. Central portion of the home proudly displays the original container doors as a decorative feature, blending historical masonry styles with 21st century modular living. It's an ideal inspiration for those wanting an urban, loft-style exterior. 4. The tropical glass pavilion. This single-story design focuses on transparency and light. By replacing most of the metal walls with floor-to-ceiling glass and adding a wide-reaching organic thatched roof, the container becomes a breezy tropical sanctuary. The wooden deck extends the living space outward, making the house feel like a natural extension of the garden. It's perfect for warm climates and indoor-outdoor living. 5. The matte black forest retreat. Minimalism at its finest. This design features 2 black containers stacked in a T-shape to create a cantilevered porch. The matte black finish allows the home to disappear into the shadows of the surrounding trees, while the large vertical windows provide a peek into the warm interior. This style is perfect for those who want a sleek, masculine, and low-profile home in a lush green setting. 6. The Parisian Bistro Container. This charming design proves that containers can be incredibly chic. With a creamy off-white paint job and bold black and white striped awnings over the windows and doors, this unit looks more like a luxury boutique or a garden guest house. The dark wooden deck and manicured potted plants nearby complete a look that is both welcoming and timelessly elegant. The suburban multi-unit estate. This design demonstrates how containers can be used to build a large-scale family home. By mixing horizontal wood siding with exposed white container sections, the house gains a layered, complex look typical of custom suburban builds. The multiple balconies and large flat roof sections provide plenty of space for outdoor entertaining, making it a highly functional family residence. 8. The Zen Garden Studio. This sleek wood-clad container is the ultimate backyard retreat. By covering the entire exterior in vertical timber planks and installing large sliding glass doors, the container is transformed into a high-end garden studio. The seamless transition from the wooden walls to the manicured lawn creates a peaceful, zen-like atmosphere that is perfect for a home office or a yoga studio. 9. The Industrial Autumn Lodge. Embracing the original container aesthetic. This design uses a dark gray finish paired with warm amber interior lighting. The long wooden deck with built-in planters adds a splash of color and life, while the sliding doors allow the home to open up entirely to the crisp outdoor air. It's a perfect example of how to make industrial feel cozy. 10. The Architectural Linear Villa. This design uses a series of steel frames to create a rhythm along the exterior deck, adding a sense of luxury and scale. The dark vertical siding is broken up by massive glass panels that reveal a high-end, modern kitchen and living area. This look is perfect for wide lots where the horizontal lines of the container can be emphasized to create a sense of sprawling modern luxury. Transforming a shipping container into a home is a journey of creativity and innovation. As we've seen today, the exterior is your canvas, whether you choose to hide the metal with wood and brick or celebrate the industrial ribs with bold paint and glass. The only limit is your imagination. By focusing on texture, light, and structural additions, you can create a home that is not only sustainable and affordable, but also a true masterpiece of modern design. If you found these container exterior ideas inspiring, Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your dream container home project. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.